I will show you how you can do drag and drop activities really easily with whiteboard.chat now. So you can drag in photos, multiple photos at the same time. Right? And put them anywhere. You can uh, drag in videos. So if you have a video recording, you can put it right in here. Right? The students can see it. There you go. Right? And then you can play it right here. The students can see it, they can play it. You can move it around, you can resize it. Right? You can upload, you can put in audio files. So if you have a audio file, there you go, it comes in right here. You can even upload and you can play it. You can even upload, even upload GIFs directly like this. So if you like GIFs or GIFs, you can look for one. You can just put it right there. There you go. Just drag and drop anything in there, and then that's it. So it's super easy. You can put in content. You can even use the upload from. So if you go to upload fit videos, webcam audio video, you can record videos right here. So first you have to enable video recording. So go to more settings. You can say enable webcam video recording. The students will get that too. They can record. So now you can, if you go here, you can say upload webcam video. You say hello, hello, and then stop recording and save it. There you go. So you can see the video also comes in there. So it's super easy. You can then share with the students and they'll get the whole thing.